Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the land area between high and low tide marks? Is it A, coastal line, B, beach, or C, shoreline? It is B, beach. What is the primary purpose of mycelium formation in fungi? Is it A, photosynthesis, B, nutrient absorption, or C, seed dispersal? It is B, nutrient absorption. What is the primary use of the circle of fifths in music? Is it A, rhythm patterns, B, key signature chart, or C, instrument tuning? It is B, key signature chart. Where is Madagascar located? Is it A, Africa, B, Asia, or C, Europe? It is A, Africa. Which album features the song Starboy by The Weeknd? Is it A, After Hours, B, Beauty Behind the Madness, or C, Starboy? It is C, Starboy. Which African country is Lake Kivu located in? Is it A, Rwanda, B, Kenya, or C, Uganda? It is A, Rwanda. What is the primary role of an antigen in the immune response? Is it A, produce antibodies, B, trigger immune response, or C, inhibit pathogens? It is B, trigger immune response. Which technology company does Satya Nadella serve as CEO? Is it A, Amazon, B, IBM, or C, Microsoft? It is C, Microsoft. What is the primary use of lead in construction and manufacturing? Is it A, paint, B, batteries, or C, pipes? It is B, batteries. Which field is Carnegie Mellon University particularly renowned for? Is it A, business, B, medicine, or C, computer science? It is C, computer science. What is the primary ingredient used to create adobo sauce in Filipino cuisine? Is it A, soy sauce, B, vinegar, or C, coconut milk? It is B, vinegar. Which fashion designer is known for the Polo brand? Is it A, Ralph Lauren, B, Giorgio Armani, or C, Tommy Hilfiger? It is A, Ralph Lauren. What is the capital city of Antigua and Barbuda? Is it A, St. John's, B, Bridgetown, or C, Nassau? It is A, St. John's. What is the primary characteristic of labradorite that makes it a popular gemstone? Is it A, high hardness, B, color-changing effect, or C, transparency? It is B, color-changing effect. In which popular film did Drew Barrymore star as a character who is unable to remember her past each day? Is it A, 50 First Dates, B, Ever After, or C, Wedding Singer? It is A, 50 First Dates. Which popular video game did Jacksepticeye famously start his YouTube channel with? Is it A, Happy Wheels, B, Minecraft, or C, Fortnite? It is A, Happy Wheels. What is the primary purpose of the Krebs cycle in cellular respiration? Is it A, DNA replication, B, protein synthesis, or C, energy production? It is C, energy production. What is the primary text associated with Kabbalah teachings? Is it A, Zohar, B, Torah, or C, Talmud? It is A, Zohar. What is the holy book of Christianity called? Is it A. Bible, B. Quran, or C. Vedas? It is A. Bible. What is the primary characteristic of fixed income investments? Is it A. regular interest payments, B. high volatility, or C. ownership rights? It is A. regular interest payments. What affects protein stability? Is it A. temperature, B. pH levels, or C. gravity? It is A. temperature. What is the primary function of a lysosome in a cell? Is it A. waste digestion, B. protein synthesis, or C. energy production? It is A. waste digestion. What is the official language of Germany? Is it A. French, B. Dutch, or C. German? It is C. German. What type of event is Glastonbury famous for hosting? Is it A. art exhibition, B. music festival, or C. food fair? It is B. music festival. Which British nurse is known as the founder of modern nursing? Is it A. Clara Barton, B. Marie Curie, or C. Florence Nightingale? It is C. Florence Nightingale. What political position does Frank Underwood hold in the series House of Cards? Is it A. president, B. senator, or C. governor? It is A. president. In which country is Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, located? Is it A. Vietnam, B. Thailand, or C. Cambodia? It is C. Cambodia. What is the central belief of agnosticism regarding the existence of God? Is it A. the existence of God is unknown, B. God does not exist, or C. God created the universe? It is A. the existence of God is unknown. What theory is Albert Einstein best known for developing? Is it A. string theory, B. quantum theory, or C. theory of relativity? It is C. theory of relativity. Which type of music is Johann Sebastian Bach primarily known for composing? Is it A. jazz, B. classical, or C. rock? It is B. classical. What was a significant impact of the Columbian Exchange on Europe? Is it A. decline of the Roman Empire, B. introduction of new crops, or C. invention of the printing press? It is B. introduction of new crops. Which two leaders fought in the Battle of Actium in 31 BC? Is it A. Constantine and Maxentius, B. Julius Caesar and Pompey, or C. Octavian and Mark Antony? It is C. Octavian and Mark Antony. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Is it A. Andromeda, B. Milky Way, or C. Triangulum? It is B. Milky Way. What genre is Jorge Luis Borges primarily known for writing? Is it A. novels, B. short stories, or C. poetry? It is B. short stories. What is the primary technology used in digital cameras to capture images? Is it A. film roll, B. image sensor, or C. photographic plate? It is B. image sensor. Which hit song from Post Malone's album Beer Bongs and Bentleys features the lyrics I Fall Apart? Is it A. Better Now, B. Rockstar, or C. I Fall Apart? It is C. I Fall Apart. Which significant legal code was established during Napoleon Bonaparte's rule in France? Is it A. Hammurabi Code, B. Justinian Code, or C. Napoleonic Code? It is C. Napoleonic Code. Which Mexican artist is known for her self-portraits and vibrant use of color? Is it A. Diego Rivera, B. Frida Kahlo, or C. Pablo Picasso? It is B. Frida Kahlo. What was the primary outcome of the Battle of Little Bighorn in 1876? Is it A. U.S. victory, B. Custer's defeat, or C. treaty signed? It is B. Custer's defeat. What is the primary geographical feature of the Great Dividing Range in Australia? Is it A. mountain range, B. river system, or C. desert? It is A. mountain range. What is the name of NASA's program aimed at returning humans to the moon, named after the Greek goddess Artemis? Is it A. Artemis, B. Apollo, or C. Orion? It is A. Artemis. What language is Malayalam? Is it A. Indian, B. Chinese, or C. Arabic? It is A. Indian. What significant outcome resulted from the Battle of Saratoga in 1777? Is it A. secured Canadian territory, B. ended the Revolutionary War, or C. boosted French support? It is C. boosted French support. What did Newton develop to explain gravity? Is it A. laws of motion, B. theory of relativity, or C. quantum mechanics? It is A. laws of motion. Which iconic painting is Edvard Munch best known for? Is it A. The Scream, B. Starry Night, or C. The Persistence of Memory? It is A. The Scream. What significant historical event took place in the Coral Sea during World War II? Is it A. Battle of the Coral Sea, B. Battle of Midway, or C. Battle of the Atlantic? It is A. Battle of the Coral Sea. What Chinese dynasty is known for its long-lasting impact on culture and government? Is it A. Han Dynasty, B. Tang Dynasty, or C. Ming Dynasty? It is A. Han Dynasty. What is Michael Faraday known for? Is it A. electromagnetism, B. relativity, or C. evolution? It is A. electromagnetism. What genre of music is the song Havana by Camila Cabello featuring Young Thug primarily categorized under? Is it A. jazz, B. rock, or C. pop? It is C. pop. Which prestigious award is associated with the University of Cambridge's alumni, including multiple Nobel laureates? Is it A. Pulitzer Prize, B. Nobel Prize, or C. Booker Prize? It is B. Nobel Prize. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.